The forest's grand plan. On a bright and sunny day, the forest buzzed with the cheerful sounds of nature, the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. Amid this lively scene, King Leo, the lion and ruler of the forest, stood proudly on a large rock in the heart of the woods. He had called for an important meeting of the Animal Council. As he gazed over the clearing, he watched his council members arrive. Grace, the graceful gazelle, Max, the powerful elephant, Athena, the wise owl, and Sky, the eagle, who swooped down from the skies with his majestic wings spread wide. The meeting began as King Leo let out a mighty roar, shaking the ground and signaling the start of discussions. He spoke about the importance of maintaining harmony in the forest and fostering a spirit of unity among its inhabitants. Then Athena, the owl with glimmering eyes full of wisdom and experience, stepped forward. In her calm and steady voice, she said, "I've observed how some of our friends have dedicated themselves to making the forest a better place for all. I propose we organize a grand celebration to honor them, a chance to express our gratitude and inspire others to contribute even more." A brief silence followed her words as everyone pondered her suggestion. Suddenly, applause and cheers broke the quiet. Grace, the gazelle, raised her head enthusiastically and said, "What a wonderful idea! This celebration will strengthen our bonds and remind us of the importance of teamwork." The council members unanimously agreed to the proposal. King Leo smiled with pride and declared, "Let us begin the preparations at once. The celebration will take place a week from now in the grand clearing beneath the Tree of Life. Everyone in the forest is invited to join and partake in this special event." The meeting quickly shifted into a lively brainstorming session. Sky, the eagle, offered to deliver invitations to all forest residents, while Max, the elephant, volunteered to oversee the preparation of the venue. Excitement filled the air as tasks were divided and ideas were shared. Every animal, eager to contribute, began planning with creativity and enthusiasm, all looking forward to creating an unforgettable moment in the forest's history. Preparations for the Grand Forest Celebration Birds. Architects of beauty. The tiny, energetic birds flitted across the forest, gathering vibrant flowers in the colors of the rainbow from every corner. Each bird carried a flower delicately in its beak and carefully placed it in the grand clearing under the Tree of Life. The crows, meanwhile, took charge of arranging the flowers and tying them with silk threads procured from spider webs. After days of tireless effort, the clearing transformed into a stunning masterpiece, with bright colors shimmering in the sunlight, reflecting the unparalleled beauty of nature. Ants, the small builders. The ant army organized itself with remarkable precision, resembling a professional construction team. They diligently cut branches and collected them to build the stage for the celebration. Each ant carried a small piece of wood or stone, and together, they constructed a sturdy platform fit for King Leo to stand on during the ceremony. They worked relentlessly, day and night, moving in harmony like a flawless machine, ensuring every detail was perfect. Rabbits and deer. Hospitality experts. The rabbits, with their agility and cleverness, ventured into the fields and orchards to gather the finest fresh fruits, such as apples, berries, and bananas. The deer, with their elegance and speed, brought the best vegetables from the forest, like carrots and lettuce. Together, they prepared a grand feast, arranging the food on plates made of tree leaves, adding a natural and artistic touch to the banquet, which overflowed with delicious treats. Max the elephant. The gentle giant. Using his immense strength, Max the elephant carried heavy tree trunks from all corners of the forest. He carefully placed them in the clearing to serve as comfortable seats for the animals. Despite his size, Max worked with great care, ensuring each trunk was stable and secure so that the animals could enjoy the celebration without worry. His efforts demonstrated how strength, when paired with kindness, could be a force for good. Monkeys, the stars of the show. While everyone was busy with preparations, The monkeys dedicated their time to rehearsing their performances for the big day. They climbed trees effortlessly, performing stunning acrobatic moves. They practiced leaping from branch to branch and spinning gracefully in the air, impressing the other animals. The monkeys synchronized their movements perfectly, preparing to deliver a breathtaking show during the celebration. Thanks to the cooperation and harmony among all the animals, the clearing was ready to host the grand event. Every creature contributed in its own unique way, making the upcoming celebration a true symbol of unity and teamwork. The forest was alive with anticipation, as its residents eagerly awaited the day they would come together to honor the spirit of collaboration. The grand day of the forest celebration. The gathering of the forest residents. As the morning sun rose, the animals began to gather in the grand clearing beneath the Tree of Life. The atmosphere buzzed with excitement and joy, as the clearing was beautifully adorned with colorful flowers and the stage shimmered with decorated branches. Every creature found their place. The birds sang merrily from the treetops. The larger animals like elephants and bears stood at the back, and the smaller ones, such as rabbits and squirrels, filled the front rows, eager for the celebration to begin. The welcoming speech by Athena the owl. Athena, the wise owl, perched gracefully on the stage, her deep eyes scanning the enthusiastic crowd. With a calm and confident voice, she began, "My dear friends, today is no ordinary day. Today, we celebrate the spirit of unity and collaboration that makes our forest strong and thriving. This celebration is a chance to say thank you to those who have dedicated themselves to serving us all. Recognition not only strengthens our bonds, but also inspires others to contribute more. Let us begin this celebration with pride and gratitude." Her words were met with loud applause and cheerful chirping from the birds above. Honoring the heroes one. Sophia the turtle. A symbol of patience and wisdom. When King Leo invited Sophia the turtle to the stage, she walked up slowly and steadily amidst the applause of the crowd. King Leo said, "Sophia is not just a symbol of patience. She is our wise counselor. Her wisdom has helped us resolve conflicts and avoid many challenges that could have divided us." With a warm, humble smile, Sophia bowed her head and accepted a gleaming golden medal, shining brightly under the sun. 2. Sky the eagle, guardian of the forest from above. Sky the eagle descended onto the stage with his wide wings spread majestically, his head held high. King Leo proclaimed, "Sky is the vigilant eye of our forest, never resting. Thanks to his constant watch from above, we have avoided dangers, be they hunters or wildfires that could have devastated our home." Sky proudly received his medal and spread his wings in a grand gesture of gratitude to the crowd. 3. Melody the bee, the tireless flower lover. Melody the bee buzzed toward the stage, her lively wings creating a melodic hum that brought smiles to everyone's faces. King Leo declared, "Melody is not just a bee. She is the creator of beauty in our forest. Her tireless work in pollinating flowers has made our forest bloom brighter and more vibrant." The birds carefully placed a tiny medal around her neck, and the flowers around her seemed to celebrate her efforts with their vibrant colors. The golden medals, a symbol of gratitude. The medals awarded to the honorees were intricately crafted from golden leaves gathered by the birds from all corners of the forest. Each medal bore a unique engraving that symbolized the personality and contributions of its recipient. As the sun's rays hit the medals, they sparkled, telling the story of dedication and selflessness behind each one. A day of joy and gratitude. After the award ceremony, the animals gathered around the honorees to offer their congratulations and share moments of joy. They captured mental snapshots of this memorable day that would remain etched in their hearts forever. The celebration was not just a tribute to the honorees, but a powerful reminder to everyone that genuine effort and teamwork create a better, more harmonious forest for all. Post-ceremony celebrations, monkey and bird performances, awe-inspiring artistry. After the awards ceremony, the festivities kicked off with an incredible performance led by the monkeys. They showcased their agility by scaling trees with lightning speed and performing jaw-dropping acrobatics. Swinging gracefully from branch to branch, they executed mid-air spins that left the audience clapping in awe. Simultaneously, the birds captivated everyone with their aerial displays. Flying in synchronized patterns, they formed stunning shapes resembling stars and flowers in the sky. The grand finale saw the birds create a breathtaking rainbow with their vibrantly colored feathers, drawing gasps of admiration from all the forest residents. The rabbits' group dance. A burst of joy. Following the monkeys and birds, it was the rabbits' turn to light up the celebration. They arranged themselves in a wide circle and performed a well-coordinated group dance. Using their tiny feet, they tapped out rhythmic patterns and made synchronized hops that matched the melody created by the singing birds perched on the trees above. Their lively energy was contagious, and soon a few young deer joined in, adding grace and charm to the performance. The scene was filled with laughter and cheer, creating an unforgettable atmosphere of joy and unity. King Leo's closing speech. As the celebrations neared their end, King Leo ascended the stage once more. He stood tall and proud, his gaze sweeping across the crowd brimming with happiness. With his commanding voice, he declared, "My dear friends, today you have shown that our forest is not just a place we live in, but a family that unites us. Our strength lies in our unity, and our prosperity comes from our collaboration. Let us preserve this spirit always, and work together to make the forest a better place for everyone." His heartfelt words stirred feelings of pride and belonging among the animals, and the audience responded with thunderous applause, cheers, and even joyful roars. A joyful finale. As King Leo concluded his speech, the birds began their celebratory songs, filling the air with harmonious melodies. The other animals joined in with their unique sounds, creating a natural symphony that echoed through the forest. The festivities continued with dancing and playful antics until the sun began to set. The animals then returned to their homes, their hearts brimming with joy and pride. This day became a cherished memory, a story to be retold for generations, reminding everyone of the power of cooperation and gratitude. The celebration was more than just a joyous occasion. It was a vivid lesson in the importance of appreciation and teamwork. This grand event soon became an annual tradition in the forest, a time to honor the unsung heroes and strengthen the bonds of unity and friendship among its inhabitants. Message of the story. Collaboration forms the foundation of strong communities, and appreciation serves as the fuel that drives individuals to give their best. When everyone works together with a team spirit, great achievements become possible. By recognizing contributions and honoring efforts, every individual feels valued, fostering stronger bonds within the community. The story highlights that unity and teamwork can create an atmosphere of happiness and creativity, transforming any place into a thriving environment filled with love and belonging. Through appreciation and encouragement, communities can grow and become better for everyone.